Hello. In the evening. In the evening. In the evening. Every day. Every day. Every day. Always. 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 Every evening. Every evening. Every evening. Sometimes. 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 Daily. 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 Often. 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 Usually. 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 Every time. Every time. Every time. Every week. Every week. Every week. In the morning. In the morning. In the morning. Every morning. Every morning. Every morning. This night. This night. This night. Today. 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 This evening. This evening. This evening. At 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock. Monday. 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 On Monday. On Monday. On Monday. Tomorrow. 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 The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. Weekend. 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 Later. 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 The whole day. The whole day. The whole day. A whole night. The whole night. The whole night. Since then. Since then. Since then. Since 1992. Since 1992. Since 92. Since morning. Since morning. Since morning. These days. These days. These days. Last time. Last time. Last time. Last night. Last night. Last night. A couple of hours ago. A couple of hours ago. A couple of hours ago. A go. A go. A go. A go. A go. A go. Long time ago. Long time ago. Long time ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 4. 4. 4. For a long time. For a long time. For a long time. For 3 years. For 3 years. For 3 years.
ሰላም ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን እንዴት ናችሁ የፓራዳይም ቋንቋ ተማሪዎች ዛሬ እንበልና አንድ ሰው ተመረቀ ከኮሌጅ ወይም ከዩኒቨርሲቲ ይሄንን አንድን ሰው እንኳን ደስ ያለህ ትሉታላችሁ እንኳን ደስ ያለህ የምንልበት አንድ እንግሊዘኛ congrats የሚለው ነው congrats is a short version of congratulations በአጭሩ okay congrats a short version of congratulations ለማለት ነው በአጭሩ congrats ማለት ትችላላችሁ አሊያ congratulations ሙሉ ቃሉን ማለት ነው ከዛ በኋላ well done ማለትም ትችላላችሁ finally you achieved it መጨረሻ ላይ አሳካኸው ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው congratulations ትሉና ለስኬት ከሆነ on your success ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው congratulations on your success okay congratulations የሚለውን ለኢንተርጀክሽን እንጠቀምበታለን ብዙ ጊዜ አጋነን ስናወራ oh congratulations okay oh wow congratulations ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው congratulate ከሆነ ግን verb ነው I would like to congratulate you ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው እንኳን ደስ ያለ ልልህ እፈልጋለሁ verb ነው የምትጠቀሙት okay I would like to congratulate you okay የመልካም ዜና ልነግርህ ፈልጋለሁ ከሆነ ግን ስም ነው ናውን ነው I would like to tell you a congratulation news okay I would like to tell you a very congratulation news ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው ብዙ ጊዜ congratulationን ከfor ጋር ልንጠቀመው እንችላለን አሊያ ደግሞ ከon ጋር ልንጠቀመው እንችላለን ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ congratulations on your success ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው ወይም congratulations on your marriage all right congratulations for ማለትም ይቻላል ነገር ግን congratulations for ስትሉ achieve የሚል ቃል ከሆነ ነው for achieving your goal okay አላማህን በማሳካትህ ነው for achieving your goal okay on achieving your goal አትሉም ማለት ነው all right እንግሊዘኛ ያያችሁ አንዳንዴ በጠንቀቅ ያስፈልጋል ሌሎች ቃል ግን on ተጠቀማላችሁ on your success on your marriage ይቻላል okay for ግን achieve የሚል ቃል ጋር እንጠቀምበታለን for achieving your goal